Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video I will talk about the new section weekly care package on CS2, and I will show you how to get the weekly care package rewards on every week, guys. So watch this video until the end. Don't forget hit the like buttons. Likes are very important for me, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Okay guys, when you open your Counter-Strike 2 and when you go to the store, here on the top you will see this section which is called weekly care package. Here you can see this question mark. So here there will be rewards, guys, and now the question is how to get these rewards. Okay guys, to get the care package rewards you need to collect the XP. You need to earn your first XP rank for the week, and you will get the rewards. Okay guys, for example, when you click your profile icon and when you hover this progress, it tells you exactly how much XP you need to get the next rank, guys, and get the next rewards in weekly care package. Probably you need to play 2 or 3 competitive matches and you will get these rewards. Also you can earn this XP while playing other games, for example Wingman. You can also play casual, deathmatch, except private matchmaking, guys. You can play all of these games, guys, and you can earn XP, but the best way to earn XP is competitive match. It takes a lot of time, but it is the best way to collect much more XP, guys. So guys, now I will try to rank up and I will show you how to get the weekly care package rewards. As you can see, guys, I played few competitive matches. I collected enough XP to level up, and as you can see I have got my weekly care package rewards. From these rewards I need to select the 2 rewards. Of course I will select the case, which is the first one, and also I will choose the AUG skin, guys. So let's claim our rewards. So this is how you can get rewards on Counter-Strike 2. Thank you for watching, and don't forget hit the like buttons. Likes are very important for me. See you in the next video.